Tolaris TV. I'm Rick Bavec. We're here in North Orlando on a beautiful lake. It's called Lake Markham. We're finishing up a home here. The last time you saw it, we just had the stucco on it. Today, we've actually painted the home, as you can see behind me, and now we're putting on the shingle roof that's going on this particular home. Wanted you to see what's happening here behind me. You'll see in the front entrance, we're waiting on some brick to be brought in. It's going to be a custom brick that we're putting on the front fascia, and that's where you kind of see the natural concrete. We'll be waterproofing that, and then we'll put the brick on it. That's called a scratch coat or brown coat right now, but the rest of the home is all painted out, and they should have this roof finished probably by Monday or Tuesday of this following week, in a couple of days from today. So that's what's happening on this home. Just wanted you to see it. We'll be continuing to take videos and keep you informed as we proceed through the completion of this new custom home. If you'd like a custom home built, or if you need a home site, give us a call at 407-402-9866. Tolaris Homes, Tolaris Realty. We have over 38 professional realtors all around the state of Florida and able to help you find the perfect home site for your custom home by Tolaris Homes. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or TolarisHomes.com. Thank you for watching Tolaris TV. Tolaris Homes, helping build the great American dream.